He's got a bit of a funny head, a furry head with feathers, I should say, right about here, starting like this. 3 little prickly bits coming out like that. And then we got some eyebrows here, just like that. Alrighty, and then I like to draw his eye here first, right about there, like that, with a nice eyeball right about there. Alrighty, now we can draw his beak from here, coming down like that. That's right, off to the side like that, and then his bill comes like that. Okie dokie. Keep on drawing, coming on down like this. There we go, right on back up to where the eye is. And there's his cheek. All right, bring that mouth down like that. Looking good. Now we'll continue this up here and follow that all the way back to up. And there's his cheek again. And we'll bring that on up like that. All right, everybody. Now we can draw his other eye. Right here like this. And like that. And we'll draw that other eyeball there. Very nice. Give him a couple of nose holes there, and we're set to go. All right, now we can draw his tongue in here like this. And then his neck comes down right about there like that. Couple of furry, feathery bits there. And now his arms can come here. We'll pose his arms as if he's got his hands on his hips, just like this, almost like a triangle. There we go. All right, and there's his fingers coming down. 1, 2, right about there like that. And what we're gonna do now is draw his little bit of chest and his body coming down just like that. All right, everybody, that's looking nice. Now let's do the same over here with this arm, right against his hip here, and his fingers coming down. 1, 2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a third one in there, just like that. And then his thumb is gonna be here, and that's gonna come up like that. Connect it all up like that. And we're looking good. Bit of palm there. Sweet. Bring his arm up like that. Body down there a little bit. There we go. We'll connect them all up there. Draw the inside of his arm here, just like this and that. Oh, this is looking good. All right, now let's make some leg holes for him. Feathery bits again. There we go. Another feathery bit part here. I like it. All right, now his legs are coming down. 1, 2, over here. 1, 2. Daffy's got some big old feet, he does. There we go. His webbed toes, just like that. Bring around like that. And let's do the same over here. 1, 2, 3 webbed toes and up. All right, everybody, it's Daffy Duck, looking good. All right, let's get to the color. Daffy has black feathers, yellow beak, legs and feet, pink tongue. Thanks, everyone.